OK，好，同學仔，我哋睇睇呢個，佢話 these space 這些地方即係乜嘢咧？睇睇40行啊，這些地方，what is 這些地方？佢就咁講嘅，佢咧就 these space 喺 line 40，these space 佢就講啦，the transformation of Hong Kong's urban landscape from vibrant street-oriented city，OK，super block 啦，咁咧佢就話咯，architect 呢個咧 Chris Law 咧佢就話咯，呢樣 inherent 內在嘅價值咧，the historic street neighborhood 咧，fostered creativity 呢一種嘅地方以街為本嘅地方咧，OK，咁咧就會孕育到咧就係創意啊、社區啊，同埋呢一個嘅社會互動嘅這些地方，其實這些地方即係講緊 street neighborhood，答到其實你淨係答到呢度 the street neighborhood 已經有分嘅，得嘛？39行 street neighborhood 已經有分啦，好冇？咁同學仔呢個留意翻。